Hi, my name is Omar Solis, the shop foreman here at Audi Beverly Hills, and today we're going to talk to you about A.R.T, Audi Robotic Telepresence. The moment A.R.T is called into action, it's remotely operated under the control of the Technical Assistance Center, consultant, or field manager. A.R.T allows for technicians to work directly with the factory Technical Assistance Center or a technical field manager remotely when diagnosing or performing repairs on your vehicle. It's essentially like having them work right by your side. With the attached device of the camera and borescope allows for real-time diagnosis. As our brand advances and continues to innovate, having the assistance of the A.R.T unit and the support from the factory allows us to repair and have our customers back on the road and enjoying their Audi. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 424-281-5700 or check us out at AudiBeverlyHills.com.